How to redeem Microsoft gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to redeem up your Microsoft gift card. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, you can just follow up this method and you can easily redeem your gift card. For that, you just need to open up your Microsoft Store. You can just go ahead and open it up, and once you have logged in, you'll be finding this interface. So you just need to go ahead and click on your profile at the top and go to the redeem gifts or codes gift card section and open it up. And then you will be finding this on your screen. So you just need to enter up the code from your gift card. You can just go ahead and scratch off your card and enter up this 25-character code right here. After that, click on next and follow the on-screen prompts and redeem it. And that is how you basically redeem the Microsoft gift card by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.